Imagine setting up a romantic evening. You've got the mood lighting, the wine, a nice little spread of cheese and crackers. But the main attraction? A can of fish. Before you think I've lost it, hear me out. Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hi Moody Foodies, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, let's talk about something that might make you raise an eyebrow. Tinned fish as the hot new thing for date nights. Yes, you heard me. Move over, fancy dinners. It's time to crack open the can. But before we dive into the world of gourmet canned fish, let's take a quick look at its history. Canned fish isn't a new invention. It's been around since the 19th century, initially as a cheap, long-lasting food source. Over the years, it's been a staple in households globally. But only recently has it taken the culinary world by storm, even becoming a viral trend on TikTok. From humble beginnings to a trendy food choice, canned fish's journey is a testament to how our palates and perceptions evolve over time. Across different cultures, what was once considered a basic necessity is now being reimagined as a gourmet delight. It's fascinating to see how an item so simple can be transformed into a culinary trendsetter. Now let's explore the variety of canned fish that's making waves in the culinary world. It's not just about the classic tuna or the tiny sardines anymore. We're seeing an upscale shift with options like wild-caught Alaskan salmon, rich in flavor and texture, and mackerel, known for its robust taste and hearty texture. Then there's the delicate trout, a lighter option with a subtly sweet undertone, and anchovies, the secret umami weapon in many gourmet dishes. Each of these varieties offers a unique taste profile, transforming a simple can of fish into a sophisticated and enjoyable dining experience. This isn't about those tiny sardines your granddad used to eat. We're talking about gourmet stuff here. Salmon, trout, even mussels, all neatly packed in a can. You can get fancy and serve them on a crisp cracker or keep it simple with a lettuce leaf. It's all the rage now. While the trend of canned fish for date nights is catching on for its novelty, it's important to not overlook the significant health benefits these oceanic treasures offer. Canned fish like salmon and mackerel are powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health and cognitive function. They're also packed with high-quality protein, vital for muscle building and repair. Additionally, these canned options often retain most of the nutrients found in fresh fish, making them a convenient and affordable alternative for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. Including a can of fish in your meal is not just a culinary adventure, but also a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Alongside the culinary and health aspects, it's crucial to consider the sustainability and environmental impact of canned fish. Many companies are now committed to responsible fishing practices to ensure the long-term health of marine ecosystems. By choosing brands that prioritize sustainable fishing, consumers can help combat issues like overfishing and habitat destruction. Additionally, canned fish often has a lower carbon footprint compared to fresh fish, as it doesn't require rapid transportation and extensive refrigeration. This makes it an environmentally friendlier choice. So when you pick up that can of fish for your date night, you're not just making a tasty choice. It's also an eco-conscious one. Now let's get creative with how to serve these canned culinary delights. The beauty of tinned fish lies in its versatility. For a classic touch, pair salmon or trout with a crisp cracker, a slice of cucumber, and a dab of cream cheese. Simple yet elegant. Mackerel can be a star in a hearty salad, tossed with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a tangy vinaigrette. Anchovies? They're perfect for adding depth to pasta sauces or as a pizza topping. And don't forget the wine. A light white or a crisp rosé complements the flavors beautifully. Whether you're an experienced chef or a cooking novice, canned fish offers endless possibilities to impress your date with minimal effort. Delving into the cultural significance, canned fish holds a unique place in cuisines around the world. In Mediterranean countries, for instance, anchovies and sardines are not just pantry staples but key ingredients in many traditional dishes. celebrated for their flavor and versatility. In Scandinavian nations, canned fish like herring and mackerel are integral to their culinary heritage, often found in dishes that have been passed down through generations. And in Asia, variations of canned fish are used in diverse ways, from Japanese sushi to Southeast Asian curries. This global culinary journey shows that canned fish is more than just a trend. It's a reflection of rich, diverse food cultures and histories. Turning to the people who've tried it, the response to canned fish date nights has been overwhelmingly positive. Online testimonials rave about the ease and novelty of these meals. Food bloggers and influencers on platforms like Instagram and TikTok are sharing their unique takes on canned fish dishes, further fueling its popularity. The hashtag canned fish date night is gaining traction, with couples posting their experiences and creative presentations. These real-life stories and social media buzz are testament to the fact that canned fish is more than just a food trend. It's a new way to enjoy and share a meal. Now you might be wondering, is this really a thing? Absolutely. It's not just a quirky choice for a few adventurous souls. Canned fish sales in the US went up by 2.7% in 2022. So what's the catch? First off, it tastes great. It's also easy on the wallet. And best of all, there's zero cooking involved. How great is that for a low-effort, high-reward kind of meal? So next time you're brainstorming date night ideas, why not give the tin fish aisle a glance? You might just be pleasantly surprised. And to that, I'll say cheers to trying something new. So as we wrap up, remember that canned fish isn't just a quirky, budget-friendly option for date night. It's a culinary experience that's easy, healthy, and sustainable. It connects us with global food traditions and inspires creativity in the kitchen. Whether you're planning a romantic evening or just a casual meal, consider reaching for that can of fish. Embrace the simplicity and delight it brings to your table. And who knows, your next favorite date night dish might just come from a can. Have you ever tried incorporating canned fish into a special meal, or are you now inspired to give it a go? Share your thoughts, experiences, or even your favorite canned fish recipes in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more delicious adventures with Food is Thy Mood. We're always cooking up something fun and flavorful, and you won't want to miss a bite. As we close today's fantastic discussion, remember, in the world of culinary delights, food is thy mood, and sometimes the best flavors come in the most unexpected packages. Keep your pantry stocked and your taste buds ready for adventure. Until next time, keep savoring the good mood food.